Let me show you how we can cut, copy and paste in Shotcut. And I'll also show you how we can add a timeline in our Shotcut. So the first thing we need to do is to add video clips into our playlist. Let's add the video clips into our timeline. Now here is our timeline and these are the videos that we have added. So for instance, this video clip is long and I want to cut it. So for us to be able to cut it, make sure you select the track by clicking on it. And once it is selected, come to split at playhead function, click on it. And as you can see, the video clip has been divided into two parts. For us to be able to remove this, to delete this, we can simply press Ctrl and then X. By pressing Ctrl X, you'll be able to delete the video track. Now let us see how we can paste a video track. Now we have this same video track and we want part of it, maybe this part from here, we want to add it here. For us to be able to copy and paste, what you simply need to do is to long press on the selected clip and then click on copy option. You identify the place where you want to paste it and then you click paste. To click paste, click Ctrl V on your keyboard and it will be pasted. So we have seen how you can cut, copy and paste. Now suppose this was empty and we want to copy this clip here. We want to paste this clip here. What you simply need to do is to copy this by copy it, and then you come at the place where you want to paste it and paste it there. To paste, press Ctrl plus V on your keyboard, and then now you'll have to arrange it. Now we want to see how we can delete empty spaces into our timeline. Now we have this space and it is unwanted space. For you to be able to remove this space that is unwanted, simply right click at the empty space you want to delete and then click remove. And as you can see, it has been removed. Now suppose we want to add another video track on this timeline. What you simply need to do, we want to add it here. What you simply need to do is to right click here and then go on tracks, then add video tracks. Now we have an option to add a video track here. So you can take this track and insert it here. Now when you play, you will realize the added video track will override what is beneath it. So let's play and see. So that's how you add a video track. You can go ahead and add multiple tracks as you wish. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe on this channel.